Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add split transition effect on Capcut for PC. So for example, I'm just going to add I'm going to add video and I'm just going to split into some part. Alright, and I'm just going to add transition. Go to transition and then select basic. You can select split transition and you can find the split 3, 1, 4, 2. So select the um, split, just put between the clip and then adjust for duration. And you can apply it to all the clip, or you are just going to, or you sorry, or you can select the another um, transition. All right. I'm just going to, alright, so this is the final effect you have on your video. Yeah, so basically, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.